This is all about tribute, about dreams coming true, and making Vietnamese food. This is Ray's Place.
Sauteed vegetable ready?
You can't get food like this anywhere else in Anchorage.
Vietnamese shrimp salad. Anything you get here is gonna be delicious.
Beef sauté noodles.
You're not just going to a restaurant, you're visiting family.
And for Curtis and Joanne Yim, family has always been front and center, even down to the restaurant's namesake, Joanne's GI stepfather, Ray Citamona. So he married your mom in Vietnam?
Yes, he bring us from Vietnam during the war and give us a good life. 6 of us.
Yeah, one of the last commercial flights out of Saigon.
Gives you goosebumps.
We came here straight from Vietnam to Alaska. It's so cold.
When did the decision come to open the restaurant?
My mom said, oh, there's no Vietnamese restaurant here. You should open one because you love to cook.
She brings a little piece of Vietnam to everything.
Vietnamese crepe up.
Today I had the crepe. It's really good. The filling was vegetables and there was shrimp in there.
Kind of eat it like a fresh roll.
This is a Vietnamese crepe, and it's kind of crunchy. My mouth is watering right now, even talking about it. So what are we making first, chef?
Nước mắm chấm.
The traditional sauce.
Sugar, water, fish sauce, vinegar.
Pureed garlic and water, and then sambal.
And then you just mix it.
We don't heat it up?
No.
Delicious. Now we make the crepe.
Yes, water, rice flour.
Rice flour.
Turmeric and curry powder.
So a little bit of the color.
Coconut cream. The pan had to be very hot.
Really hot. And just a little vegetable oil.
Coat the whole pan.
So kind of like a crepe, swirling it around, letting all the moisture cook out.
Put the cabbage in, carrots, chicken, white tiger shrimp.
Beautiful.
Okay.
There we go.
Some of the
My mouth is watering right now. I'm like almost drowning.
lettuce,
Some of the cilantro.
mint.
Take a piece of this off of here and roll it up in there.
Yeah.
There's some times to be jealous of what I do. This is one of
Yeah.
those times right now. This is my jam right here. It's so delicious with the crunchy vegetables, the crispiness of the crepe. The pancake is so light but crunchy.
Thank you.
Thank you. With that sauce, it's not super sweet. It's tangy, a little bit of spice to it. And you bottle the sauce?
Yes, that's me right there.
Look at that picture. Huh? I'm ready for the next dish.
Here's the Vietnamese crepe.
The Vietnamese crepe is delicious, fresh, and light.
Crispy on the outside, succulent on the inside.
Have you had this anywhere else?
I have not had this anywhere else.
Well, I'm gonna tell you, the one you're having should be the benchmark before you ever go anywhere else.
It's messy to eat, but it's really good.
Sauteed vegetable.
The family goes to Vietnam and sometimes brings new recipes back.
Explosions of so many different flavors.
Explosions.